Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your and your person's energies towards each other, what's coming up, and what are their thoughts towards you, how do they see the relationship, and what is the next step they are going to take, and the probable outcome of the situation you are dealing with. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Let's get started for my Sagittarius, 17th till 23rd of January, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, Sagittarius and their person, please. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Okay, Sagittarius, what's going on? I see a third party here somewhere. Please clarify what is going on. Wow, kind of similar energies you both are experiencing, Sagittarius, here. Okay, so how do they see you? They see you as a Hierophant energy. Okay, so they see you as a person who is really, who has his or her own norms and beliefs, and his own rules and regulations. That kind of a person they see you. Somewhere they really see you as a person who they really would want to go for a marriage thing. Like, you are a person who is like a marriage kind of a person, not just a fling kind of a person. They see you as that. Let me clarify more. Eight of Swords. But they are really somewhere I feel that they see you as a confused person as well. You have some norms. There could be a trust issue in your end, and that's why they are really experiencing, they're feeling that trust issue in their end, in your end towards them. They feel that you are not trusting them fully, they are not opening to them fully. They see you as a person who is like a marriage material, but at the same time a person who is not even opening. How can this person go for a marriage thing? So somewhere you are really stuck, or somewhere you are not giving your 100% in this thing, and that's why they are getting a feeling of that you are really not opening up to them. How you see them as the Ace of Wands? You see them as a person who really is taking a good initiative, but you feel that this is a person who is more into talking and not doing anything, not kind of an action oriented kind of a person. Nine of Cups. You really are attracted somewhere. You really are thinking that this person can be the one, but this is only a thought right now. You are not putting it up into actions because you do not see any actions from their end. So this is more likely a feeling and a relationship or a situation where you both are really having some other thoughts about each other, and both of you are not correct at this place, because this is not the reality. Okay, so it can be that you can be at a place where you do not want to commit like just like that, because you could be going for some weeks only, or if this is the long-term relationship also, there is something which is which you really want to do, and that's why you are not ready for the marriage things. Okay, so marriage thing is not there somewhere, but definitely a relationship, likings are there from both the ends, which I feel. Okay, so how do they see the relationship? As the Death energy. They feel that this energy or this relationship has no way, like this is a dead relationship which they are dealing with. It's no use of watering a dead plant, so they really feel that they're watering a dead plant over here, or dead relationship. Seven of Swords energy. Okay, so yeah, if there is some kind of a betrayal also, because I see third party, as I told you before also, and I see Seven of Swords also here. So if there's a betrayal kind of a thing which happened, it could be a self betrayal, a self betrayal kind of a thing as well, where a person is in his or her own thoughts, where you are trying to just figure out something or the other not to be in a relationship. So you are putting up excuses on the other person that because of you this and this happened. Okay, so they could be blaming you. I feel somewhere that you are the one who is being blamed for not getting involved in the relationship. And a third party is also a thing somewhere. So for some of you only, definitely not for everyone. All right, so how do you see the relationship as the Knight of Pentacles? You see that this relationship is good, but it's slow, and you are taking it slow because you also want to take it slow. You do not want to go really fast. See, Six of Swords energy for the clarification of Knight of Pentacles. You do not want to run. You're just taking slow. It could be because of why the third party thing is happening, because you could be dealing from a heartbreak like a before, and you are in your healing place, you're in your healing stage, and that's why you are really taking it slow. You feel that this person is really good, and when they talk to you it makes you really happy. But why the reason you are not opening up to them? because of whatever happened. You do not want to run towards a person anytime, because the trust issues are there, definitely. Okay, so what are the obstacles they feel there are in the relationship is the Three of Swords. Yeah, they really feel that you are still in the past thing. You are more involved into the past person, and you are not giving time and energy to them. Plus, they also feel that somewhere, if you are not over with them, you are somewhere thinking, plus you are talking to them. So they see betrayal. I don't know why they are thinking so much that this person has betrayed me. Might be you were involved with this person again while you were in the relationship, so that's why they feel that you are going back to the same person again and again, and you are not valuing and giving credit to them, the way they are really waiting for you, and the way they are really loving you. Sorry for the talk. Okay, so Three of Swords, King of Pentacles energy is here. Yeah, this is definitely a person, or it could be a Taurus with whom you were dealing. So that's why they're like, still you are with that person. You are in the mind, and thoughts are there somewhere, and you are still healing, but you are not completely out of that situation. Might be because of that person might have given you a lot of happiness and good times, and this person feels that it's kind of a competition between both of them, and they are not able to make you happy, not able to fulfill your wishes. That's kind of things they are really thinking. Okay, Temperance energy is in your end. What is the obstacle, but you feel is the obstacle? Temperance energy, let's see what else. Ten of Swords. Okay, so I was expecting that it would come somewhere. Okay, so Sagittarius, Temperance with the Ten of Swords is a betrayal with healing. So you could have been betrayed in the past relationship, and you are healing, and that is really hard for you, because the daggers are really kind of, they have really taken you bad, and it's really hard for you to go up and go again, to start a new relationship somewhere. If you're not dealing with a past person, and if you are already dealing with this person only, if this is the same person, because somewhere in both the end, so I can find that this betrayal could have happened in one of the either of the cases, like in your case or in their case. So third person came, and they could have been betrayed, and or you could have been betrayed, so anyone out of you two. So somewhere one person has betrayed another person, and because of that the healings are still going on, and that's why the relationship is not moving so fast. You are healing, but the storyline which I formed is definitely that one person is with the past person still, and that's why it's not going on good with this person, this new person. Okay, so their action towards this relationship or towards situation is the Page of Cups. They would like to talk to you. Sagittarius with the Queen of Wands. Yeah, they're coming up towards you and they are ready to talk to you about it. What do you want to do? Tell me, okay? Talk to me. That is what they are trying to tell you. They are either by a message or they will ask you they will take you on a date or something, but they really want to communicate with you, talk to you, and they will express their feelings as well. Along with that, they would like to clarify what you want. Your action towards this relationship. Page of Swords. Let me clarify. King of Wands. Okay, so Queen of Wands came here and the King of Wands is here. I feel that yes, you are definitely going to go on this date. So these two, one is Page and one is Queen of Wands, and the another over here is also Page and the King of Wands. So it's so similar, see? So yeah. So definitely you are also going to say yes to the date or to the dinner or lunch, wherever you would go, and you both are going to clarify. Okay, so let's see what is the probable outcome of the situation. We have Three of Cups. It's coming up quite good, but let's clarify. Two of Wands. Somewhere you are going to take a pause, I feel. You both will be like, okay, let's start again, or take a pause for some time. Let's be friends again first, and then we will see where it can happen. That can be a clarification which you are getting, both of you. You could be long distance. You could be in a long distance relationship. Your plans are a little different, which are coming up in the probable outcome is more likely that you are going towards something different energy, not the same energy. So if you are already in a relationship with them, you could be backing out from that relationship or taking it slow. Or if you are already friends, so you will be, I feel that you both are being friends only. So somewhere this is a talk which you are going to take, and you will take out a solution out of it. You both will talk and take out that solution. So that is all from my side, my dear Sagittarius. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.